So previously in previous video we have seen append method, we have seen count, and we have seen index method. So in this session with list data structure we will proceed with few more methods. So let's see if I want to insert some element. So with append you have seen that okay, we have a list and the list name is list 1. So the list one is, I think yeah, I have to start from here so that list one will be active again. So yeah, list one is active again, and I will just print over here again. So this is our list one. So we have seen with append method, if we are trying to add some element, then it will get added at the end like we have done over here. But what if I want to add some element in between, like 0 at 0 position, at 1th, or at 2nd? So what I need to do is list 1 dot insert, and then I will say that okay, at 0th position add 5, this is the element, and then I will print list 1. So yes, previously it was 1, now it is 5. Like I will do one more time. So let's say if I want to insert at 0 1 2 second position, so I will say second and I will mention 4. So this is second is this index position 0 1 2, and then fourth is the element, so now it is 2. It will become 4, and this 2 will come at 0 1 2 third position. So let me print list 1 again. So as you have seen, 5 1 4 2 3. Now how about if I want to remove the element? So for that purpose the method is list.pop. So of course, as the pop says, as the name of the method says pop, so by default it will remove the last element. So I will just execute it and I will print list 1 again. So if you see, this time it is printing 5142. Because of this pop, it has removed the last element, and the last element was 3. But what if I want to remove the element, this one, element 1? So for that purpose I will again provide the list name list1 dot pop, the method name, and then I will provide the index. So if I want to remove the second index, and now I will say list1 again print. So if you see, previously the list was 5142, so 0 1 2, our second element was 4. Now if you, because of this pop, we have given this second index position, that remove the element which is at second index position. So it has removed 4, and now the list has become 512. So with the help of this pop, if you don't provide the position number, then it will by default remove last. If you provide the index position number, then it will remove only that element. So we have seen insert. If we want to insert at some position, this is how we are going to insert. We have seen pop. If we want to remove by default, then without index position, use pop. If we want to remove at a particular index, provide the index position. Now how about I want to remove with the help of with element, with element value? So how I can do that? So for that purpose the method is remove. So pop and remove are altogether different thing. In pop, by default it is removing last. If we provide the index, it is removing that index, but with the help of remove I have to provide the value, and then I will execute once again list 1. So now if you see, I have provided a value, this element value, this 5 has been removed, and now only 1 and 2, this is the only list remaining. So how about if there are multiple 5s over here? So it will remove the first one. I hope you have liked this session. Please hit like button on my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you very much.